ChatGPT not working, showing errors, not loading, or stuck on a blank screen? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you the fastest way to fix ChatGPT in 2026 in under 2 minutes. These are the exact fixes that work for almost everyone. So make sure you watch until the end. If you're seeing problems like something went wrong, infinite loading, login issues, or ChatGPT not responding at all, this is very common and usually easy to fix. First, check if the problem is coming from OpenAI servers. Sometimes ChatGPT is down globally, and in this case, there is nothing to fix. You just need to wait a few minutes until it's back online. Next, try a hard refresh on your browser. This clears broken cache instantly. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus R, and on Mac, press CMD plus Shift plus R. This simple step fixes a lot of loading problems. If that didn't work, open ChatGPT in incognito mode. This disables most extensions automatically. If ChatGPT works there, then the issue is coming from your browser extensions like ad blockers, VPN, or privacy tools. Now, the most important step, clear your cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, then privacy and security, click clear browsing data, select all time, and delete cookies and cache files. After that, restart your browser and try again. Also, if you're using a VPN, turn it off. ChatGPT sometimes block a slowed down connection from VPN servers, which can cause errors and loading issues. If the problem still continues, switch to another browser like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Sometimes one browser has issue while another work perfectly. If you're using the mobile app, try this. First close the app, update it, restart your phone, or reinstall the app completely. This fixes most bugs on Android and iPhones. So here's the fastest method that works almost every time. Open incognito mode, clear your cache and disable extensions. These 3 steps alone solve the most ChatGPT problems in minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes and online money tips. And if you still have an issue, comment below what error you are facing and I will help you to fix it.